It's celebration time with Celebrate Uganda.
Hello, this is Ronah. You are watching Celebrate Uganda. This is Ronah Shield on Celebrate Uganda. This is a show which is going to be hosted by me. It's going to be tackling a word on the street, single parents, small businesses, and everything about the community. We are going to be promoting small and big businesses in the community and interviewing celebrities. Our aim is to build a community and maximize our potential. Hello, this is Ronah Shield coming to Celebrate Uganda. It's gonna be a very hot show hosted by me. Yes, by me. Ronah Shield at celebrateuganda.com.
It's celebration time with Celebrate Uganda.